In this solution, we show how you can have a hosted Kubeflow environment managed by OCI Container Engine for Kubernetes, OK. With the power of Oracle Cloud and NVIDIA A10 and A100 Tensor Core GPUs, you'll be able to work collaboratively and let Kubeflow manage all the troubles. The deployment uses Terraform OCI OK, which you can find on GitHub, to set up a custom OKE environment. You can modify the shape of each node by editing the Terraform file found in our solutions repository. You can then connect to your OKE cluster through OCI Cloud Shell and install Kubeflow in a few steps. There are several features where you can create auto machine learning pipelines, notebook environments, tensor boards, and deploying models by creating endpoints to expose these models through APIs. After you're done with the deployment, you can experiment with some notebooks we've published in our repository for you to get started on your environment.